Today we're going to try the OpenAI Codex. It's like an application specific for LLMs where it can do stuff a little bit more complex than ChatGPT. So it can run automations. It can use plugins like Figma, which is what we're going to try today. I'm going to create a new nextJS website with nothing in it. And then I will give it a Figma file, which is the design file. And I will ask it to build the design into the nextJS project. So here I have Codex open in the timeline project. I have to run this command, I think, to connect my account. Let's see what happens. So use this Figma design to build a Next.js website. I also have it in my Figma desktop app. It's a timeline. So it's reading the markdown file, the skill file. So that's a good sign. Okay, so I'll use my skill. So it's asking which I want to use. So I'll use 2. Okay, so I'm just giving it more context as to what I want. I want it on the home page, I want a single timeline, and I want it responsive for mobile. So it's asking me to copy link. That's interesting. It's building. It's building. Oh, I got to select it. So again, this is what the site looks like. This is just the basic Next.js site. This is like the placeholder design. All right, and it finished. It took about 2 minutes. Let's see if it's responsive. Oh my God. Okay, so a few things. Let's compare here. So it got the image wrong, right? It's pretty close. It's pretty close. It is responsive. The thing with this is it's missing the fact, like it did not pick up on the fact that these should be buttons and these should load different timelines for different years. But in terms of just the look, it nailed it. It's crazy.